Hello. So in this GoHighLevel, I build this agent for a company, for a services company. So I made the knowledge base for this one. Now I will try to schedule for booking appointment. Maybe I will try Wednesday, next Wednesday at 9 a.m.
Hey, you have reached EL Tech. How can I help you today?
Hello. Can you book me on Wednesday at 9 a.m.?
Sure, let me check the available slots for Wednesday, June 24th at 9 o'clock a.m. One moment. The available slots for Wednesday, June 24th include 9 a.m., 10:30 a.m., and 12 p.m. Would you like to go ahead with 9 o'clock a.m.?
Yes, please.
I see we have your email as dsgeyser@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're all set. Your appointment is confirmed for Wednesday, June 24th at 9 o'clock a.m. Let us know if you need anything else. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.
So now I need to check, refresh. So here now. So Wednesday. It's good. It's working.